Hello, students. Welcome back to week seven of home-based learning. I don't know about you guys, but it is flying for me. I hope you had a really good weekend. I know I did. That is until I started grading your math quizzes. Oh, from there, my weekend took a turn for the worse because Habibis, that was rough. That was a rough time. Um, we spent a week going over means and averages. And to be honest with you, your performance on the quizzes was very average and a little mean. It was a little mean. So, but enough of these puns. Let's get cracking. I think. All right. To be fair to you guys, I think some of you just got confused with the setup of this question. Okay. Now I did explain this specifically in one of the videos how to read this. Maybe some of you didn't watch the video and therefore you failed. You failed to understand how to do this is what I mean. So just remember, each one of these dots is a value. You need to count this value. Don't count this 1, 2, 3. All right, this would be like counting the number of votes when we did the household problem on Edmodo. All right, that's not what we're doing here. You don't count 1, 2, 3. It's each one of these dots represents 3. So if you're putting it into your calculator, it's going to be 3 plus 3 plus 3. Heck. There we go. Okay. Yeah, 3 plus 3 plus 3. And then we go in, it's 4, we go into 5. So plus 5 plus 6 plus, now 3, 7, 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 8 plus 8 plus 12 plus 18 plus 19 plus 24 equals 135. Now we divide that. So that's the sum. That is the sum of all the data. We take all the data entries, we add them together, we get 135. Now we divide by the number of data entries. We count up the dots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we divide by 15, and that gives us 9. A lot of you put 15, maybe you forgot to, I don't know, maybe you just added it up and put that. I don't know. I don't know what you guys did, but you got it wrong. The correct answer should have been 9. Same thing here with okay, another common mistake I saw is you guys rounding poorly. If you round it up to the tenths place, like 0.1, that was totally fine. I gave you guys that. If you round it to the ones place, so if you just put like 2, that was, yeah. You gotta have some sort of decimal in this game. So like for example, number 2, let's just add all these up together. We have 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 equals 31. And then we divide that by the number of entries. We had 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 entries. So we divide by 15, and that gives us 2.06. Now, if you're going to round this to the nearest tenths place, that would give us 2.1. Okay? Not 2, 2.1. This 0.6, the 6 here is 5 or greater, in this case greater than 5, which would make this, the tenths place, a 1. There's no reason to round all the way down to 2. There isn't. We add these up, we don't get 30. If all this added up to 30, divided by 15, yep, that's 2. That's fine. But that's not what we have. Okay, that's why there needs to be some sort of decimal here. Okay. Yeah, number three, I think kind of the same thing got you guys as number one. You're not counting all the different values. It's like you didn't count, um, 51, 51, 51, 54, 54, 55, 55, 56, 56. I don't think you guys added those up correctly, and that gave you poor answers. Other than that, though, yeah, I think you guys did okay. Um, but there's really no way for me to know if you guys are just adding it up wrong or if you're not doing the if you're adding it up wrong, if you're dividing wrong. That, unfortunately, there's no way of me knowing. So what I'm going to do for you, I am going to post a retake today for you to do. If you would like, it is optional, not mandatory. If you got 6 out of 6 and you think that is totally fine, I agree. You don't need to do it. Enjoy the day off from math. But if you are very unhappy with your math quiz results, as most of you should be, consider this a gift. Do these 6 questions, do them correctly. Save your grade. Save your grade. All right. And that's really all I have for you today. So I will talk to you later and see you later. Bye.